In this Excel tip number 8, I focus on theme what else is important to know in Excel. Number 1, very often in companies they use a pivot table, which is the functionality in Excel which very effective and very fast calculate the sum of data. For example, we have several columns with date, department, cost, and sales. And in department we can see the departments. Date is date wrote in order. As you see, it is in Slovak format, which includes the day, month, and year. And cost and sales are in euros in also Slovak format, but I hope so it is for you understandable. So we need to calculate the costs or sales, summarize these values by department. In a common way, it is very difficult or not so effective, so we use pivot table. At first, we mark the data. It's possible to click anywhere to data or use shortcut Ctrl A or by hand to mark the whole data. For example, I use Ctrl A and then I go to insert and use the pivot table command here. And now we see the window which I can see the table or range. If it is okay, we let these values as is. And now we can decide to create pivot table a new worksheet or existing worksheet. So I decided to use existing worksheet, and now I click to cell, for example F1, and then I click OK. Now I see empty pivot table, and on the right side I see the pivot table fields, which consists of columns in the same names as we see on the left side. And now the way is very easy. I click to department and cost, and now I see the summarized values of cost. So this is very effective and very fast way. So use pivot table, and in the next videos in the future I focus more deep to pivot tables. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.